1 year ago today, I was exactly where you are right now, paying my bills each month and looking at my debt and realizing that the gap between where I was and where I wanted to be for retirement was getting closer. And I was thinking, I'm stuck here. So I started searching for a way to make more income so that I could pay off debt sooner, but I just didn't know exactly what kind of side hustle that I could do. So maybe you're doing the same thing right now, and maybe you're hoping to find a sign or a breakthrough or a way to create extra income so that you can live the life that you've been dreaming of. That was me, you guys. Yes, I'm a mom of 3, but I was exhausted and I was starting to look at the reality of my situation and going, is this the best that I can do for my kids? Will I ever be able to give them the life that they deserve? Or could I accept that my kids' future is only limited by what I could or could not afford? Well, they deserve to choose their dreams without having to worry about financial stress. And they deserve the best education and the best opportunities and the best shot at life. They deserve to see what was possible for themselves, but all this wanting more, I just didn't know how to get to it. So that's where I still felt stuck. I had this clear purpose and this wish and this desire to get out of debt for my kids, and then I had this big goal and this dream and this vision of what life could be like and would be like if I were to free up some extra money, but I didn't know how to get from here to here. Then I found this blueprint, this online digital step-by-step plan that was actually that middle step that I needed to go from this wish that I had for my girls all the way to this clear dream of getting out of debt and making it a reality for myself. But even though I did want to learn more about that middle plan, I really hesitated and I thought, but what if this doesn't work for me? Or what if this is just a waste of my time or my money? Or actually, what if this is just a scam? But then I thought, but what if it actually does work? So I just took the leap. And in just a few days, everything started changing for me. And just think of it like this, you guys. If you have set these big financial goals and you're excited about it, and weeks later you just find yourself completely stuck again, like you had the vision and you had even the motivation behind it, but just somewhere along the line or along the way, you just stalled out. So I really started to understand for myself that a vision without a roadmap will just keep me stuck. So here's the thing, setting a goal is kind of like planning a journey on a train. I mean, you have your purpose and your why, that's your fuel. And then you have your end goal and your vision and your dream, and that's your destination. It's like the city that you're going to arrive at on the train. Like without that destination, you wouldn't even know where the train should go, right? But here's the part that most people just actually miss. Because most people, we often set goals, but we forget to lay the tracks. And we know a train can't move just because it has fuel or just because it knows where it wants to go. And no matter how powerful that little engine is, right, it won't budge without the tracks. I mean, it won't even move an inch. Vision alone just isn't enough. And purpose, your purpose alone isn't enough. If you want to get your financial goals intact, you need to lay the tracks. You need to have a clear plan so that you can achieve your financial dreams. Like that step-by-step roadmap that connects you from where you are right now to where you want to be. It's the missing middle piece, you guys, and without the tracks, you just don't have the progress. So you only have the dream and we're trying to get there. So I'm only telling you about this blueprint, you guys, because it's already helped me so much in my financial journey. And it's because I have laid the tracks. And I want to give you that clear plan so you have everything laid out too. It's a simple plan of learning and earning income through digital marketing, so that you can have the money to pay off bills or to save for retirement, or to just stop worrying, stop grinding yourself into exhaustion, and don't just keep sacrificing your time. Now, I know I'm just a fellow mom from California, but I'm telling you that the version of the life that you're actually living now could be so very different. And you don't want to stress about bills. And I was like that too, and I don't want to have to wonder about if I have enough set aside for my future. And most importantly, the thing that was the real thing for me is that I didn't want to miss out any special moments with my kids or my future grandkids because I was just too busy working. Use the plan to get you free of all that financial worry. And if you're actually still watching this video, it probably means that you're searching for something too, just like I was, you guys. I mean, maybe it's time for you to stop searching and start laying down those tracks, because at the end of the day, If you ask yourself this question, if nothing changes in a year from now, if you're still in that exact same place and you're still feeling stuck and you're still wondering like, what if I would have done that? Will you be okay with that, you guys? Or will you wish that you had actually started sooner or started today? So if you've got a financial goal that matters to you, don't just stop at your why and your wish. I mean, use this fully automated system. It's a blueprint that lays down the financial tracks for financial freedom. Because once you do, you guys, that's when your purpose has something to run on. And that's when momentum just starts building, and that's when you will actually arrive at your financial destination. Remember this, my friend, your purpose is so important because that's what's going to just fuel you along the way. But the tracks will be what carry you so that you can actually achieve this dream and go to this destination of a financial freedom area that you want to be in. It's your final destination. So when you're ready to reach your financial destination, then go ahead and grab the exact blueprint that I use. It's in the description box. Because without laying those tracks, your destination just remains only this vision, you guys, that's just like kind of far off in the horizon. But with the right plan in place, then you give your goal something to run on, something that's steady and sure and unstoppable. Well, guys, this is the plan that really helped me, and I'm using it to change my financial trajectory. And I want to give you that same hope that it can change your financial trajectory too. So let me know if you have any comments or questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.